Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Also comes equipped with magnetic ride control, adaptive cruise, heads-up display, power sunroof, rear DVD Blu-ray entertainment system, third row seating as well as second row heated seats, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, you're gonna have this huge door, tons of paneling and storage just on the bottom there. It's also gonna come equipped with a Bose premium speaker sound system as well. It's gonna have that wood, chrome, and also suede finish there as well. It's gonna have that seat memory and the mirror memory as well. Power locks, power mirrors, and your power windows, the whole nine. It's gonna have the classic running boards on the side here, as well as your monochrome weather mats, and of course, the heated and ventilated driver adjustable lumbar Cadillac seats as well. Left side here, of course, you can control your lighting as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive, and as well as you're going to have your heads-up display right there as well. And on the steering wheel on the left side, you're going to have your forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and as well as voice recognition. On the right side, you're going to have your odometer control, as the odometer is completely digital here. And so much more. Of course, you're going to have the classic truck shifter. It's going to come equipped with the tow package there as well. Push to start. Of course, moving on to the radio controls here. You got your climate, rear climate, as well as your heated and ventilated seats. Little DVD player up here as well, and of course, a little extra storage compartment with a USB port right in the back there as well. Of course, it's going to come equipped with navigation as well as Bluetooth connectivity, climate control there as well, and of course you can access your text once you connect a phone there as well. Of course, on the bottom here you're going to have a little extra storage compartment with 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port as well. You're going to have that cup holder with a little extra storage there, wireless charging pad right here with extra storage and extra power inside as well. You're going to have that same finish here on the passenger side there as well. It's going to have the power lock and the power windows, as well as if you want to access the glove box, you just hit right there. It's going to open that for you. It's going to have that suede and wood finish throughout the front, and of course, it's going to have the regular and the digital as well. Of course, you're going to access your rear liftgate, your OnStar, and of course, your power sunroof. You're gonna have these huge 22-inch aluminum monochrome wheels there as well. Of course, you're gonna have that monochrome right on the bottom there, and the paint match mirror cap and the chrome keyless entry door handles there as well. It's also gonna have the chrome luggage rack up top. It's gonna have this little black wing up here as well. Of course, it's gonna come equipped with the backup camera and the 360-degree camera. Moving into the back, of course, you're gonna have the third row seating right up here. You can always put them down for extra storage, and you're going to have a huge rear in the back as well with an extra 12-volt DC port, extra storage here as well. And while we're in the back here for third row seating, you're going to have cup holders there, couple on the side with a 12-volt DC port and extra room. Very spacious rear. Right, moving on to the rear, you're going to have these same kind of style doors with lots of extra paneling and storage here on the bottom, with the Bose speaker on the bottom as well, with that extra cup holder and the power window there as well. It's going to have that wood, chrome, and suede finish there as well. So once we get in, you're going to have storage just behind the passenger and driver's seat, as well as we're going to have the ventilation, heated seats as well. You're going to have 2 USB ports, an HDMI port, and auxiliary port for anything to hook up onto your rear DVD entertainment system as well. It's going to have the Blu-ray wireless display. I don't think it's touchscreen. You're gonna have to use a remote for that. Of course, you have the captain seats. It's also gonna come equipped with an AC wall charger and an extra 12-volt DC port. And here is the other side of those third row seats. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2019 Cadillac Escalade Premium Luxury. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as a 10-speed automatic transmission. Of course, it's going to have magnetic ride control, adaptive cruise, heads-up display, rear DVD Blu-ray entertainment system, and so much more. Thank you so much for tuning in today here. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.